It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 29th of April. I'm James Spann. Still the chance for a few isolated showers tomorrow, but things are looking very, very nice by Friday and the weekend. But we start with this interesting video. This was captured by a Facebook user about 2 o'clock this afternoon up around Dogtown on Lookout Mountain in DeKalb County. That is a cold air funnel. Those form in cool, stable air, typically when a cold core upper low or an upper trough passes overhead like today. They're harmless. They rarely ever touch down, but certainly a curious scene in the Alabama sky today. There's a look at the upper trough, responsible for that cold air funnel passing through, very cold air aloft. And as we often see with a situation like this, we have a few isolated showers that have popped up today over East Alabama, parts of Shelby, Talladega, Calhoun counties. And the same thing probably happens tomorrow. We've got the chance of isolated showers in the forecast, but after tomorrow, we'll be dry for a while. Cooler than average. We should be in the upper 70s in late April. We are only in the low and mid 60s. Anniston 63, Birmingham 65, Tuscaloosa 68, but warmer weather next week as a ridge takes over. We'll expect highs in the 80s most every day next week. I think this in itself is a story. Look at that. That's the hazards map across the United States. No watches, no warnings, nothing. And that's a good thing, but typically it's very active this time of the year. Just a marginal severe weather risk tonight for parts of Central and South Florida. And the rain for the next 5 days. Not very much. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. And again, there could be an isolated shower tomorrow, but after that, we'll be dry for a while. All right, model fans. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Again, that cold core upper low is rotating through here. And down below that, the main surface low is way east of here. That brought the rain last night and early this morning. But underneath that cold core, we could see these. This is the high-resolution NAM, valid tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And you can see those spotty showers about. And the air is almost cold enough aloft to make you want to think there might be some small hail or grapple with those things. I don't think we'll see a lot of that, but it's not out of the question. Otherwise, a windy day tomorrow with a strong northwest wind of 12 to 25. Highs in the mid-70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 75. And again, those isolated afternoon showers. Friday, we start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the low 70s. The sky sunny. Saturday, beautiful day to start the weekend. Lots of sun with a high in the mid-70s. And Sunday will be close to 80 with a good supply of sunshine. So a delightful weekend for anything you want to do outdoors. Got race weekend at Talladega coming up. Everything looks good. Monday of next week, we stay warm and dry with low and mid-80s. Pretty much the same thing Tuesday. The dew points begin to creep up. I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower, but I don't see any forcing for that, so we'll leave it dry. And this is Wednesday, a week from today, troughing in the west, ridging in the east. And again, for us, that should be a warm and dry setup. Maybe some active storms across the Great Plains with a deep surface low east of Denver. And could that be early season tropical mischief in the Atlantic east of Daytona Beach? Probably not. You know, the GFS is famous for voodoo tropical storms, but before you know it, we'll start thinking about those. The hurricane season kicks off, of course, in about 1 month. This is the end of the forecast. This is Saturday, May 9th. A shortwave coming out across the Great Plains. A deep surface low is out there, and that might be some active weather. I think we'll probably see maybe 1 or 2 more severe weather threats before the tornado season winds down. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.